In this video, I'll guide you through how to share or borrow Steam games. Steam's game sharing feature allows eligible friends and family members to access games from your library on an authorized computer. It's a convenient way to let others enjoy your collection without purchasing every title themselves. As long as the necessary settings are enabled, the setup process only takes a few minutes. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through everything you need to do to enable Steam library sharing. To begin, open the Steam application on your computer. If Steam isn't installed yet, download it from the official Steam website and complete the installation before continuing. Once the application is open, click the Sign In button if you aren't already logged into your account. Enter your Steam account credentials and sign in. Be sure to keep your login information secure, especially if you're using a shared computer. After signing in successfully, you'll arrive at the Steam homepage. Next, click the Steam menu located in the top left corner of the application. From the drop-down menu, choose Settings to open Steam's Settings window. This is where you'll find the options needed to configure library sharing. Inside the Settings window, navigate to the Security section and select Manage Steam Guard. Steam Guard provides an additional layer of protection for your account and must be enabled before you can use the library sharing feature. Follow the prompts to verify that Steam Guard is turned on before moving to the next step. Once that's complete, open the Family section in the Settings window. If your account has certain limitations, some options may not be available, but if everything is set up correctly, you'll see the option to authorize library sharing. Enable the option to authorize library sharing on this computer by checking the appropriate box. Below that, you'll see a list of eligible Steam accounts that have previously signed in on the same computer. Review the list carefully, then select the accounts you want to give access to by checking the box beside each one. After making your selections, click OK to save your changes. Once the settings are saved, the selected accounts will be able to access your shared Steam library on that authorized computer, provided they meet Steam's sharing requirements. If you ever run into any issues during the setup process, Steam support provides additional guidance that may help resolve common problems. That's all there is to it. You now know how to share or borrow Steam games using Steam library sharing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.